nag-start pa lang ta or planning to start pa lang, we always benefit with this kind of livelihood training. Okay. So in terms of logistics, na-cover naman na ni Sir Tanano. So I also feel that the team are well organized in terms of putting together the content o kung saan maka-benefit ang mga audience karon, including me. So, na-cover nila ang technical aspect of corn production, how to plant, know-how, kung saan nato, including the details, how many days, what fertilizers to apply, what do we do and stuff. And also, how do we manage pests and diseases, all those technical aspects are covered already sa training. On top of that, they make time and effort to also cover the behavioral part of the training, which is very important because most of us are members of a certain organization or an association. So, a core value, kinahanglan dyan na nato ma-possess because kung saan nato pag-behave or interact with other people, people at may mapusay kung core values, importante na. If we are potential sellers of corn, kung saan nato pag-relate sa atong buyer, natin mga certain behaviors that we need to possess in order for us to succeed as a farmer. Yes, the leadership part is also a plus or a bonus for me because kita mata mo aspire na nga member na tanong. In the future, maybe may aspire ta nga mo promote ta sa atong position into a leadership position. But as parents, we are already leaders sa atong household. Okay? So it added a value not only as a farmer, as a member of an association, but also sa atong personal lives, ang behavioral aspect na ilang i-cover, which really help us or prepare us para sa atong pananom, para sa atong mga-member sa asosasyon. So it really added value personally para dun sa akong It added value to me being a partner, as part of the community, and as a president of a certain association. So, from me, and maybe most of you, we are very thankful for sa province na team. And by the way, excellent sila ng mga trainers. I know that some of you were put on the spot to cover some of the topics. I must admit, it was not perfect or seamless, but ako na-appreciate na ko ang effort to really deliver that particular content. I came from a training background, so kasabot jud ko unsay inyong na-feel. So, we appreciate it. The food is really good. We also like the food, importante. There's only one thing na gusto dyan ako i-request, maybe in the future. Coffee is life, sir. Coffee. Alright. So, thank you. Thank you po sa tanan ni ay. Most importantly, this session also allowed experienced farmers to partake their best practices for us na bago pa lang, maka-learn from them like si Sir Lucas Gayo, si Sir dito sa Kuan, sa ilang asosasyon.